welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the brand new slime kits that Elmer's just released. So the other day I saw on Elmer's Instagram page that they just released some brand new slime kits, so I got the butter slime, the fluffy slime, and the cosmic shimmer slime kits, and I'm so excited to try each of these out, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for tons of exclusive slime videos and also some YouTube sneak peeks. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So here are the 3 brand new slime kits that I purchased off of Amazon. I'll be sure to have the links down below in case you guys are interested. I was so happy when I got these because they came in less than 24 hours, and I just thought that was so awesome that they came with super fast shipping. So the first slime kit that I'm opening is the Elmer's Fluffy Slime Kit, and this one cost $14.98. I think the packaging on this one is so cute. I just love the little marshmallows. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get 2 bottles of glue and 2 tubes of fluffy slime activator. Each of these Elmer's slime kits comes with enough supplies to make 2 slimes, so for this first one, I'm adding this really pretty blue glitter glue. So the next step is to add in the fluffy slime activator, and the instructions say to shake it first for best results, so I went ahead and did that. The instructions also say to start off with 3 teaspoons of activator, but I'm not really sure how strong the activator is, so I decided to just add 1 teaspoon at a time, so I'm going to keep adding that until the slime is fully activated. I really like how they designed the activator in this kit. I like that they mix the activator and the fluffy texture together versus just adding them separately. I thought that was very clever. So here's the first fluffy slime all completed. This slime has a very unique fluffy texture. I haven't really felt anything like this before. It has a little bit of resistance when you stretch it, but it's great for stretching, poking, and bubble pops. One thing I thought was interesting about this slime is that it has a very tacky texture. That's the best word I can use to describe it. Like, it just sticks to your fingers when you poke it. I did add some more activator, and that did help a little bit, but it still has a pretty tacky texture. Other than that, I think this is a pretty good slime, and it was very easy and fun to make. And now for this last fluffy slime, I'm adding this pink color glue, and I'm going to pour this into the bowl. And now it's time to activate the slime. So the instructions say that this glue requires more activator than the last one, but I'm still only adding 1 teaspoon at a time, just to be careful not to overactivate it. So here's the second fluffy slime all completed. This slime pretty much has the same texture as the last one, except this one does feel a little bit less stretchy, probably because I had to add more activator into this one. And just like the last slime, this one does feel a little bit tacky, but other than that, I think this is a great slime, and I love the light pink color. Overall, I really enjoyed this slime kit. I love that both of these slimes are super easy and fun to make, and they both have a really good texture. I do wish the slimes weren't as tacky and sticky, but other than that, I think this is a great slime kit. And now moving on to the next slime kit. So this one is the butter slime kit, and this one cost $12.88. I'm so excited to try this one out, but I'm also very curious to see what the textures will be like. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get 2 bottles of glue and 2 tubes of butter slime activator. So to start off with this first butter slime, I'm adding this yellow glow-in-the-dark glue, and I'm going to pour this into the bowl. And now it's time to activate the slime using the butter slime activator, and the box does say to shake it first for best results, so I went ahead and did that. And just like the last slime kit, I'm only adding 1 teaspoon at a time because I'm not really sure how strong the activator is. So here's the first butter slime all completed. This slime has a very nice texture. It definitely doesn't feel like a typical butter slime just because there isn't any clay in it. This slime is so nice and thick, it's very stretchy and has great bubble pops, and it also doesn't have that super tacky texture like the last 2 slimes, which I thought was awesome. The slime also glows very nicely in the dark, and it's just a lot of fun to play with. And now to make this second butter slime, I'm adding this really pretty pink glitter glue, and I'm going to pour this into the bowl. Next, to activate the slime, the instructions say that this glue requires more activator than the last one, so I'm just adding 1 teaspoon at a time until the slime is fully activated. So here's the second butter slime all completed. This slime has a very similar texture to the last one. This one does feel a little bit thinner. This slime is just so nice and stretchy and has great bubble pops, and I just love playing with this one. Overall, I think this is a great slime kit. I did like this one a little bit better than the fluffy slime kit because I like that these didn't have a super tacky texture. And I did mention this earlier, but these slimes don't have a typical butter slime texture because there's no clay in them. But other than that, I think this is a great slime kit. And now moving on to the last slime kit, we have the Cosmic Shimmer slime kit, and this one costs $13.72. I love the packaging and the theme of these slimes. I just think it's so cool, and I'm so excited to try this one out. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get 2 bottles of glue and 2 bottles of Elmer's magical liquid. So to start off with this first Cosmic Shimmer slime, I'm adding this really pretty color shifting glue that shifts from black to teal. And now it's time to activate the slime using this Elmer's magical liquid, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon at a time until the slime is fully activated. So here's the first Cosmic Shimmer slime all completed. This slime turned out so pretty. I just love how the color shifts when you play with it, but I did notice that the pigment does come off on your hands a little bit. This slime does have a little bit of rubbery texture. It has great clicking noises and bubble pops, and it does stretch pretty well, but it does rip sometimes. Another thing that I noticed is that this slime has a very interesting smell. It's very subtle, it just smells a little bit like chemicals, but other than that, I think this is such a pretty slime. And now moving on to the last Cosmic Shimmer slime, I'm adding this really pretty cosmic glue that shifts from gold to red. And finally, to activate the slime, I'm adding 1 teaspoon at a time of the Elmer's magical liquid until the slime is fully activated. So here's the second Cosmic Shimmer slime all completed. This slime turned out so pretty as well. I just love how the color shifts when you play with it. This slime pretty much has the same texture as the last one. It's a little bit rubbery, but it still has great clicking noises and bubble pops. overall, I really enjoyed this slime kit. Both of these slimes were super easy and fun to make, and I just love how pretty they turned out. I'd say the only things were that the slimes did feel a little bit rubbery, and they did have a slight chemical smell to them, but other than that, I think this is a great slime kit. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which slime kit was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for a bunch of exclusive slime content. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye!